Did you know that Antarctic fur seals are born black, but change to a gray or brown as they grow? Cool! Orcas are often called killer whales because they're at the top of the food chain and eat most marine mammals. The great albatross has the longest wingspan of any bird, up to 11 feet. That's almost as long as a car.
We can combine two syllables or word parts to make words we know. Basket. Basket.
You know that hippos are one of the loudest animals in Africa? Their grunts can reach 115 decibels. That's as loud as a rock concert. I hope you brought some earplugs.
You're going to listen to some words. Choose this box if the vowel sound you hear in the word is short. Choose this box if the vowel sound you hear in the word is long. Drove. Blonde. Tote. Block. Crop. Crop. Listen again. Crop. The vowel sound is short. This word ends with a consonant. Words with long vowel sounds often have a silent E at the end. The silent E makes the vowel say its name. Watch first. Bake. This word ends in a silent E, which makes the vowel say its name. Bake. Spell the word you hear. Press this button when you are done. Mop. Mop. Hole. Hole. Lot.
Humpback whales make magical sounds and noises just like songs to communicate. These songs travel through oceans and can last for hours.
Rub. Rub. Dive. Dive. Mule. Mule. Kid. Kid. Code. Code. Rim. Rim. Pine. Pine. Spell the word you hear. Press this button when you are done. We can combine two syllables or word parts to make words we know. Plastic. Plastic. Listen carefully and choose the two syllables to make the word you hear. Press this button when you are done. Contest. Contest.